Kahit maraming bashers, pagmamahala ng Econin, sobrang tamis at walang makakahadlang. Super saya ng nararamdaman at tila wish come true para sa multi-awarded actress na si Janine Gutierrez ang naging kaganapan sa kanilang trip to Africa ng nobyong si Jericho Rosales. Nagbahagi ang dalaga ng mga larawan at video sa kanyang Instagram sa naging bakasyon galore na makikita na so happy sila pareho. Ayon pa nga sa naging caption ng dalaga. Touchdown in Tanzania, first day, game drive in Ngorongoro Crater, sharing snippets from this safari trip of a lifetime with at Access Travel PH. I wouldn't even have thought of Tanzania if not for them. It's so magical. Enjoy ang naging komento ni Miss Rupa Gutierrez. At I love Rupa G. Thank you so much for your tips, tita. So helpful. Jisoo Live ang naging komento rin naman at sagot ni Janine. At Janine Gutierrez, more videos and picture please. Sundot na komento ulit ni Rupa Gutierrez. Wait, is this Angelo from that series we used to watch it? Was Ina and Angelo guys made out childhood? Yes, it's the original Angelo from Pangako Sa'yo TV series. So happy for you and the birthday boy. Bask in the best of God's creation over there. Komento naman ni Big Bad Bawang. Couldn't be happier that they choose to celebrate life surrounded by God's people and beautiful creation, such a meaningful way to mark the moment. Welcome to Kenya, capital city of Africa. We are eagerly waiting for you. OMG, saya, please go. Honestly speaking, I'll never really thought of Tanzania as a place to go for a vacation, seeing how you and Echo enjoy this trip so much. I guess me bucket list is getting shorter now. Ang saya-saya naman ng Econin ko, ayi. So ayun nga guys, no cover ang Econin sa mga bashers na kung ano-ano ang mga sinasabi sa kanila. Ang importante sa dalawa, masasaya sila at nagmamahala ng totoo at di gimmick ang lahat na ginagawa nila. Anyway, enjoy nyo lang ang bakasyon nyo at deadman na lang sa mga bashers na inggit sa mga ginagawa nyo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.